Alrighty, also we're already getting started. I'm just letting the carpet sit out in the sun for a bit. That way, that's what it says that you should do. Let it sit in the sun so it can kind of get in its shape. But I'm a little bit confused because they gave me two different pieces. I know this is the main one that I'm going to be using, but I don't know what this one's for. I'm assuming it's probably...
What are those?
Look at my chocolate!
For like the back wall of the truck, be like behind the seat. But I'm not too sure. I need to figure it out. I don't know. Regardless, we're still going to put it on. So I'm going to be taking out all the interior. I'm not going to bore you guys with how to remove everything. Like I did on my OBS video. If you guys want to see the OBS video where I installed the carpet, you guys can go to my video, the list of my videos, and you guys will find it there. We also did the carpet installation on the OBS. But in this one, I'm just going to be taking everything out, and I'll show you guys a little bit here and there, or try to give you guys some tips. But mainly I just wanted to make a video for you guys. I know you guys are probably at home chilling, relaxing, nothing to do, bored, so I figured I'd entertain you guys with a video on the C10, since I know you guys are probably getting a little frustrated and just bored.
I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucker in the house bored, and I'm bored in the motherfucker in the house bored.
But anyways, I'm gonna take out the seat. I'm gonna take out the seat belts, these little trim pieces, and remove the old carpet, and then we'll figure out how the other one goes. All right, but stay with me, y'all.
Eran redondas.
Sí.
Y estas huevadas, ¿no? Son cabrones por ir a comprar.
This is how it looks before I put the carpet in place.
Te vas a dar un golpe con eso que no le dejaron ahí bien donde se tiene cortado.
Ripped up. The driver's side over here was actually missing the trim pieces, and it's all ripped up too. It's just a different color. I mean, everything else is there, so I mean, it's a good truck. It's just really needs the carpet replaced. But that's how it looks before I paint the doors and everything. Alrighty, so I already took off the seat, as you can hear, and I took out the old carpet as well. Really good in there. I'll show you guys right now. You get a little soda. If you guys haven't tried these hot nuts, they're the bomb, man. You guys need to try them. They're like peanuts, but they're covered in like, I don't know. They're just try them. I got them from Food for Less. Hot nuts. They're pretty delicious. You guys will give them a try. But let me show you guys. So here's the seat already that I took off. There's the new carpet that's gonna be going in there. I'm just cleaning it up because I took off all the old carpet. It's all in there. So I'm just cleaning it up because, as you can see, it's all pretty good. There's like no rust whatsoever. It's actually in very, very good condition. The only spot was right here that I had to kind of scrape off some of the thing that goes underneath the carpet. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of rust starting to build up. So I'm just going to clean this up, give it a quick little sand, and then just spray it with some of that rust reformer so it can preserve it. But I mean, it's actually not bad at all considering its age. That's the only little spot that it has, and even there, it's just a little bit of surface rust. It's not bad, as you can see. So we're just going to clean it up, prep this side a little bit, clean this off, and then just start preparing it for the new carpet to put it in place. Alrighty, this is just a quick little update for you guys. Alright, so I just finished giving a quick little wipe, as you can see. So the whole pretty much floor looks in really, really, really good shape. The only part is right here on the passenger side. There's little spots. I just finished sanding it off. So there's little surface rust spots here. So it's good that I changed the carpet. That way I can be able to catch this before it spreads even worse. So we're going to be covering this with some rust reformer. Just patching it up a little bit, covering it up, I mean, so it can kind of help with this. It's not bad at all. It's not like rust that went through the truck. It's literally just a bit of surface rust, but this helps prevent it and it protects it so it won't keep spreading. So I just put a little bit of this. Alright, so I just finished cleaning it up, wiping it down, and painted this as well with the rust reformer. I also kind of like put the wires away because there was a bunch that were just unnecessary from when I had the stereo system with the sub and all that. I'll just worry about that later once I put it, or rerun the wire and all that. So we're gonna start putting the carpet back on, in there now. So let's get that started. This thing actually fits pretty good. So it has this little stitched part here, That's gonna go underneath this little kick plate, so I don't have to do any cutting. So I'm just gonna push it up, and I think the second piece is probably gonna go here underneath this, and then it'll come up here and just screw it on. That's gonna look pretty good. It's just so dusty, but once I clean it up and put it on, it's gonna look great. Alrighty, y'all, so we put the carpet in and we got the seat in. I'll show you guys. So I was kind of struggling because I ended up getting 2 pieces of the carpet. I'll show you. There it is. You put the seat back on and everything. So I still need to put like fit it in there, adjust it. I need to put the little chrome trim pieces. The chrome trim pieces, I don't know if I'm gonna end up painting them black. I think I want to paint them black. But for right now, it's getting late. I'm just gonna put the chrome pieces back on, and then later on, once I do the rest of the interior, like paint the actual doors. I want to paint everything like black, and then get the new dash that goes there too. So once I do all that, then I'll paint those trim pieces as well. But for now, I'm gonna leave them chrome. I just want to see in the back. In the back. So the piece of carpet went somewhere like up to like here, kind of. You could feel it. And then the other piece, I was thinking it probably went here, but I couldn't figure it out. So I didn't put that one on. It just doesn't make sense. I was kind of upset with LMC Trucks that they sent me that piece without explaining what it's for.
What?
I don't know. If you guys have the same problem, make sure you leave a comment down below. Maybe I'm the one who's wrong and I'm blaming others. I really don't know, but there was no use for it unless it's for the extended cab versions, the C10s that have the 4 doors. It could be for that, I don't know. But I feel like when I bought it, I mentioned that it was a single cab, like 2-door. So I don't know what that was for. I might have paid for it when I didn't even need it. Who knows? Alright, it's getting kind of late on me, but these are the trim pieces I'm going to be putting. This is a new one that I bought because I was missing, and those 3 are the old ones. I thought they were going to all match like chrome, but I guess not. The new one's kind of like a chrome one. It looks really nice, but this one looks more like a nickel finish. I don't know. It's not the same. So I might have to end up painting them, but I'm gonna just throw them on like that for now, and then we'll see down the line. So this one I think goes over there. This one, I think this one goes here. Yeah. Yeah, this one goes over there, this one goes here. So these are gonna go here. So we're gonna put them on. Let's go look for the drill.
2 hours later.
Oh. I just really hate when you put something somewhere and then you don't remember. And you're just frustrated the whole time looking for it. Well, that's been me all day. Alright, so let's put these on as best as we can. These are the new set of screws that I bought for it.
Many months later.
Alrighty, y'all. So it's the next morning. We didn't finish up the truck yesterday. So, well, I mean, I did finish it up, sorry. I finished it up, but it just got a little too late. And it was just dark for me to record. So right now I'm going to show you guys how it looks. There's a couple of things I still need to do, but for the most part it's done. So we're just going to back it up now. So let's back it up so that way I can show you guys, alright? So I'm not sure if you can hear it, but that's what I'm talking about. The carburetor was what I struggle with in the early mornings when it's kind of cold and all that. That's when you can probably hear it the most. So pretty much I just gotta let it warm up for a bit. That's the thing. So I'm just gonna leave it on for a bit, let it warm up. Boy, is it dirty though. I need to clean it up. Last time I parked it in the garage. It's just here and there I bring it out. But it was super dirty. You see the windshield, everything. So yeah, give it a good cleaning. This is already after I already put the fender trim. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like it with the fender trim or without it? I'm kind of digging how it looks with it. It has that mean stance. Obviously, the next thing I want to do is tint the windows, man. Like black them out, murder them out. Front and black, and I don't know if I'm gonna tint the front windshield or if I'll just put the sun strip. I'll see. But I'm sure once I put the blacked out windows, it's gonna look clean, man. Turn off the music. Pretty much there it is. So yesterday I was putting on these pieces. This is the piece that I bought from, I believe it was LMC or Brothers, I don't remember which one. So it's more of like a chrome one. This is more of like a nickel brushed, chrome brush finish. So I mean, it doesn't look the same. This is what I was debating, whether I should paint them black or if later on down the line if I should just buy the rest of the pieces so it could just all match with the chrome. Because I kind of like how the chrome looks, because in the outside I have a lot of the chrome trim. So like the fender trim, I have the wheels, this part right here, obviously on the door, and then later on I want to put this little piece that goes here. So I guess I kind of like how it looks when you open the door and just all the trim pieces that go with it. So let me get in for a second, talk to you guys. Yeah, I'm not done yet. I still need to put the dash back on, and then I haven't gotten the cover lay dash that I want to put over it, but eventually I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. But for right now I might just like get that dash. I'll show you guys right now how it looks, and like paint it up maybe, and paint all the doors. I want to touch this up with some black paint. This obviously, put the chrome caps, touch it all up black so it can all be black inside, as well as this side. And the top, the headliner still looks pretty good. It looks decent, so I'm gonna leave that as is. And then later on I want to reupholster the seat. I want to get like a black leather or maybe like a customized leather seat. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know if you guys know anybody that does interior like upholstery, that'll upholster my seat somewhere out local, and I'm in LA County and Cali. So let me know what you guys, if you guys know anybody. Alright, turn it off because I hate the smell of it. I'm sure the neighbors probably hate me by this point.